University Institute of Financial Markets. As per the recent announcement made by two big corporates, that is Facebook and Reliance Industries, these two companies have signed a deal, and Reliance Industries has sold 10% stake from its telecom sector, that is Reliance Jio, to Facebook, right? So Facebook has pumped in nearly around 43,574 crores into Reliance Jio company. So what does this mean? What does this mean to the people of India, and what does this mean for the shareholders of Reliance Industries, and also what it has the impact on the companies, that is Reliance Industries and Facebook. So let's discuss on this today. As you can see, Facebook is one of the US technological giant company which is into social networking platforms. Facebook has nearly 260 million users in India, right? And it has around 400 million users of WhatsApp in India, 80 million users of Instagram in India. So, as you can see, Facebook is not a new company to our people. Already we are connecting with people through these social networking sites. We are messaging, we are calling, and we are doing a lot of things, sharing our photos, sharing our videos through these platforms, right? On the other side, Reliance Industries recently in the year 2016 it has launched Reliance Jio, right? Telecom company which was launched by Reliance, and as you can know, Reliance Industries or Reliance Jio is having a subscriber base of 400 million in India. So what does this mean when these two companies are coming together? What they are planning to do? What might be their plans? What might be their business plans for our country, for their businesses, right? So we'll take one by one. Facebook is having some plans to introduce a video app just like TikTok. We call it a small video app, just like TikTok, which has been a Chinese software. And as you know, in India, many users are using TikTok app. Facebook is introducing the same kind of app in India, and that is called, the name has been given as Lasso, Lasso, right? So now Facebook will be definitely benefited by the large subscriber base of Jio, right? So with that, they can start growing their businesses. Already whatever network he has in India, that will be multiplied with the strong base of Jio. So definitely Facebook is going to be benefited by this deal. On the other side, Reliance Industries. Reliance Industries currently is having a debt of around 1,42,000 crores. So it plans to reduce the debt by 2021. So this funds, whatever has been pumped in by Facebook, is going to be utilized for reducing the debt of Reliance Industries, right? And also Reliance Industries plans to sell its 20% stake in petroleum company, refinery company, to Aramco, which is the oil giant in Arabian country, right? So with these deals happening around, we see that Reliance Industries debt is going to be coming down to almost zero, a debt-free company, as per the dream of Mukesh Ambani. Making Reliance Industries debt-free company might be a reality in the coming days, right? Now, the plan of both these companies I am going to tell you. Think of a single platform. Before that, I am just going to give an example of Amazon and Flipkart. Right now, e-commerce websites we have Amazon and Flipkart. Through Amazon, we'll take example of Amazon. What does Amazon, like what, how we are going to be benefited by Amazon? What we are doing on Amazon right now? We are buying and selling groceries, apparels, and other things. We can be a seller, we can be a buyer on that. And also recently they have introduced payments app, where through which we can transfer money and receive money, right? Now imagine a single digital platform where you can call, you can message, you can play games, where you can download movies, where you can book tickets, where you can file your ITR returns, where you can file your GST returns, all under a single platform. Buying groceries, buying apparel, all finance related services, everything will be offered under one platform. That is what these companies are planning to introduce, right? That is why this deal has happened, and with this deal going into like agreement, our country is going to be benefited a lot by this. And also Reliance Industries valuations are looking very good. Now as an investor, what does this deal mean to me? This deal means a lot to me. As an investor, Reliance Industries fundamentals are looking very much favorable now, with a strong balance sheet and profit and loss account. With these high valuations, high future plans, I see Reliance Industries is having a potential to definitely go up. No doubt, your investments might be double in next 3 to 5 years. So at current valuations, I definitely suggest people to buy the stock at current levels. Immediately, over the next 6 to 8 months, a target of 1700 to 1800 cannot be ruled out, right? So this deal is one of the single largest deal happened in any technological company in India, right? So with all these developments and all these plans, there is a big win-win situation for both the companies, that is Facebook and Reliance, right? So I suggest each and every person to have in their portfolio a company called as Reliance Industries, right? So thank you, happy investing. Kindly share and subscribe our channel. For online courses on fundamental analysis and technical analysis, you can log on to our website www.sifmtrainings.com, and also you can WhatsApp or call the below mentioned numbers. Thank you.